Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and monthly recurring commissions have recently come in. I'm live in my Warrior Plus account here. I'm going to go into my all-time stats and data, and this shows you three columns here that we're concerned with. So the first column here is this sale price here, and $14,000, $14,000 here of sales. Commissions is now in this column here 6,867, and the amount of products sold is in the left-hand column over here, 1,602 products sold. But more importantly in this video, what I want to show you is how these are predominantly autopilot buyers traffic offers. And I want to show you how to get your traffic for free. That's the first stage of this strategy here. And then once you get your traffic for free, then I want to show you how to earn a profitable monthly funded traffic proposal. What that means in the industry, it means that every single month as an affiliate, you get into profit with the offers that you're promoting. And then what you can do is you can take a percentage of those profits and then you can reinvest that back into buying more traffic. And then you can scale up and build your primary business faster. Because if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, then you no longer have to buy traffic from your job income or your wages or any savings in your bank account. Your traffic is then coming from profits every single month. And I'm going to show you some proof of how with these offers, you can promote one link and you can earn multiple income streams. And then what that enables you to do is it enables you to get into profit even faster. I'm going to show you at the end of the video, I'm going to give you an opportunity and a strategy that I personally use to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus offers. And there will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims in this video or any guarantees. I'm just showing you what works for me, and we all have an equal opportunity to become a member of these offers and promote them as an affiliate. So let's have a look first of all. These are all membership sites. So when you see down the right hand side here, you'll see a circular arrow. And what that denotes how many months in a row the members have been paying for. And what you get is you'll see here 12 months in a row. These are quite new. They're second month, they're 6 months in a row. Any gaps down here are new members coming in. But what happens is 10 months in a row, you get a high retention, 16 months in a row there. You get a high retention with these offers because a lot of the members are becoming affiliates. So they're getting great value because they're putting buyers, they're putting their offer in front of buyers, and it's also on autopilot, so it saves them a lot of time. But they're also becoming affiliates like myself and getting into profit. So usually with most of these offers, you only need to get 2 referrals, and everything beyond that is getting you traffic for free. So you'll see here all these circular arrows, 22 months in a row there. You'll see the gaps where new members are coming in, and all of these here. So when you get monthly recurring payments coming in, 16 months in a row there, when you get monthly recurring payments coming in, you start at the beginning of every month in profit, but you also get a solid, stable and growing income because these are in an evergreen niche. Traffic is an evergreen niche that everybody needs. Let me just show you some proof here of the where you promote one link and you earn multiple income streams. So one of the offers is called Easy Clix Instant Traffic Club. There will be links in the description where you can get more information on these offers or if you want to join them. What you'll see here is I've highlighted in blue all the upgrades. So what the product owners do, they put multiple offers into their systems. So when you promote one link, if a member wants to upgrade and get more benefits from the system and help them build their business faster, then you can earn additional income streams. Now, Clix has got a triple traffic upgrade where a member can put 3 offers into the system. Now, you'll see here, I've highlighted in blue all the upgrades. So you'll see that roughly about 1 in 3 new members that are coming in are upgrading. So when there's a block of 6 here in blue, that's 3 members in a row. All the dates are on the right hand side here. That's 3 members in a row that have upgraded. So the white ones have not upgraded. 2 in a row have upgraded there. They haven't upgraded. So the upgrades with Clix are converting very, very well. So I could go on. I've got some more down here. I've got even more down here. We've gone back as far as June here. So we could go on and more here. 4 in a row never upgraded, then 1 did. But it's averaging roughly about, I think, about 1 in 3 that are upgraded. And what that means for you, that means that you can get into profit faster as an affiliate and build that monthly funded traffic proposal. Same again with Click Traffic Cyclone. You'll see here all of these here are upgrades. OTO means one-time offer. And some of the commissions in Click Traffic Cyclone, some of the offers there are even higher commissions. There's a $46 commission here, a $30 commission here. The one-time offer too, it converts very well. So again, promoting one link, more upgrades there, more upgrades there. So you're promoting one link and then earning multiple income streams. So what I did, I created a strategy video showing step by step how I've achieved these results. And it's called How I'm Able to Automate Daily Commissions and Earn Thousands of Dollars. But more importantly, how you can too. So this video here takes you through step by step the strategy. So I'm going to pin this page to the first comment below on the video you're watching now. And then what you can also do is, if you want more information on the offers, you can just click these tabs here. These will open in a new window. If you want to join them and get started, you can join them through those there. And I'm also giving you the page that you can also promote your offers on as well. So all you need to do to recreate this page, it's really beginner friendly as well, because I've got a video tutorial that shows you how to do it. And all you're going to do is join Leads Leap for free. Leads Leap is a free lifetime membership. And then what you do is you just copy and paste this code here into Leads Leap. I show you in the video how to do that. And I also show you in the video how to put your affiliate links into those tabs there. And you can also put your Leads Leap link into here. And if you promote this page, it will completely duplicate the page for you. So the videos will be on there. All you've got to do is just put your affiliate links in there, and then you can just promote that page. And if you want a funnel to promote the page, or you want a funnel to get your traffic, Jeff Amon, the Click Engine owner, just click that link there. And then what Jeff has done, I do talk about it in my video on that page, but Jeff has created a video here on how to do a funnel to promote these offers. Now, Jeff is the owner of the Click Engine, and he's very kindly in this series of tutorials that teaches you how to set everything up. He's very kindly made it customizable and editable, so you can use Jeff's funnel to promote. You can use Jeff's funnel to promote any of these 4 traffic offers here. So not just his product, the Click Engine, but you can customize it and edit it to promote any of these offers. So if you want to set that funnel up, that's on there for you as well. That's optional but not compulsory. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So I'm currently doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about any of the content today, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. I'm also going to put my email address in the description. So if you want to contact me direct through email, if you'd like some one-to-one mentoring or some help, then just contact me through that email address in the description, and I'll help you. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.